Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to be doing something special. So you're going to need to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell because you are not going to want to miss this. So in today's video we are doing, who's we? We? Well, we would be the dynamic duo. You haven't heard of us? Oh, come on. The dynamic duo? Well, that's Jess Gus and me. Yeah, you know us, right? Okay, good. So you know you're going to need to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, right? Yeah, okay. Let's get into it. If you want to see what we're giving away today, just keep watching. We're getting into it right now. Okay guys, so you know that the dynamic duo loves to give away stuff. Well, today we are doing the PURFECT giveaway. That's right. We're doing the PURFECT giveaway. Pure. Yeah, the PURFECT giveaway. Ain't that cute? Because this is what we're giving away. It is the Pure 4-piece Get the Perfect Selfie Kit. Ain't that cute? Anyway, we think it is anyhow. So, okay. So, anyway, and it is a dynamic duo giveaway. That means you have got double the chances to win because Jess is giving away one of these on her channel and I'm giving away one of these on my channel. So what is it? So this is a whole kit. So it is the Pure No Filter Blurring Photography Primer. So it comes with this. Then it is the Pure Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. This. Then you get this really pretty color. It's the Pure, and there's like micro fine glitters in here, so it's really pretty. And it's in the shade, I gotta get my spectacles. Let's see. It's called Squad. Yeah. Because you're Jess and Jeannie's dynamic duo squad. That's right. So it's really pretty. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like these really, really fine micro glitters in there. So it's really pretty, but it's a really pretty peachy nude color. And then it has this palette. This, I wonder if I can open this and show you what it looks like. It's kind of, oh, yeah. I can put it right back in here and sew it back up. So it's really pretty. And so it comes with, it's really nice. It's got like this little bitty mirror. Then it's got the blush side and the eyeshadow side. So it's really, really pretty. Isn't that cute? So yeah. So that's what we're doing this time. And so we are going to be running this until 11:59 on Sunday, the 16th. And then we will have our winner video up on Monday, the 17th. So, what do you have to do to enter? Well, the same thing that you always have to do. Well, first of all, let me state my disclaimer. This giveaway is my giveaway. I bought this product myself. It's in no way, shape, form, or fashion associated with YouTube. It is sponsored solely by me. So, what do you have to do? Well, you have to be subscribe to my channel because my giveaways are for my subscribers. So be sure that you set your notifications on so that I can verify that you are subscribed to my channel. In case you win, then I want to be sure that you're subscribed to me. Then also you have to be 18 years or older, and you have to have a U.S. shipping address. so that I can mail your winnings to you. And like I said, the giveaway is going to run until 11:59 p.m. on the 16th, and the video announcing the winner will be posted on Monday the 17th. So yeah, that's pretty easy, right? And if you want to be entered into the giveaway, then just leave a like on the video and a comment down below with whatever you want, and just be sure that somewhere in that comment it contains the words "enter me," because I will be using the random comment picker to select the winner, and I will filter the comments with those words "enter me." So if you don't have that in your comment, then the random comment picker will not pick up on you. So be sure that if you want to actually win, that you use those words in your comment. So good luck on entering the contest if you want to win this palette. It's a really cute palette from Pure. So this is the PURFECT giveaway, another dynamic duo giveaway, so you have double the chances to win. A chance on Jess's channel, a chance on my channel. We just love doing this together. It is so much fun, and we get so much pleasure out of this, giving back to our subscribers. So if you are not subscribed to Jess's channel, run over there and subscribe to her and enter on her channel. And if you are here from Jess's channel, hi, my name is Jeannie. It is so nice to meet you, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel as well, and I hope that you like the content over here. We have a lot of fun over here as well. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and good luck everybody, and we will see you for the winner's announcement on Monday. So good luck everybody, and thank you so much to all of the subscribers who support our channels. We love you to pieces, and we can't wait to announce the winner. Also, remember, we still have the giveaway going on. I think that we still have, oh my goodness, we have a lot of giveaways going on. So yeah, we still have some giveaways going on. By the time that this one posts, Jess has giveaways going on her channel, multiple ones. Go check all of her giveaways out. I have giveaways going on my channel. We still got another dynamic duo giveaway going on with the Morphe Plum Pleasers or Plum Pleasures. Something about plum. I don't even know. It's the 35P, I believe it is, palette. So it's a big Morphe palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if you want a chance to enter in on that, check that one out as well. But we've got a lot of giveaways going on right now for Valentine's Day. So many that I'm not sure that we can keep up with them. So check those out and get in on those too while you're there. Be sure you've got your entries in for those. So we'll see you soon, and good luck everybody. Mwah. Smooches until next time. Bye bye for now.